How to fix .NET Framework error code 0x80072EE6 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Enable .NET Framework components. Windows comes with .NET Framework pre-installed, however, it may not be enabled on your PC. Enabling it can solve problems associated with its functionality. This enables the framework features required by applications to work. If that didn't work, sometimes, the .NET Framework installation itself may be damaged, causing errors during updates or installations. Microsoft provides a dedicated tool to diagnose and fix such issues automatically. Fix 3. Run System File Checker, SFC, and DISM. Corrupted system files can interfere with the .NET Framework installation process, leading to errors. Using built-in Windows tools to scan and repair these files can resolve the issue by restoring system integrity. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Corrupted or stopped Windows update services can disrupt the download and installation of .NET Framework updates. Restarting these services clears temporary issues and resets the update process. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.